Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply color banded rows and columns in Excel spreadsheet. So for us to get this done, we're going to head over to the Excel file right here, and let's say for example we're going to apply it here. Now the first thing that we're going to do is head over to conditional formatting, new rule, and here use a formula to determine which cells to format, and I want you to go ahead and copy this particular formula right here. Then go ahead and click the format right here, choose fill, and then you're going to choose a color. So say for example, I'm going to choose this one, hit OK, and it's going to look like this. Hit OK, and you can see that now it's in there. Now you can do the same thing for the columns. In this case, I'm going to highlight this column, conditional formatting, new rule, use formula to determine which cells to format, paste that, but this time instead of row, let's go ahead and change that to column, format, use or choose whatever color you'd like here, then hit OK, and you can see that now it's in there. So yep, that's the easiest way in order for us to apply color banded rows and columns in Excel spreadsheet.